Do you want to know how you can create a password link for your folder on Dropbox? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Programming Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a password link for your folder on Dropbox. So let's go ahead and start the video. Go ahead and open Dropbox.com on any of your browser. After you do so, log into your account and you can see your folder over here. I'm going to teach you the two ways how you can create a password. So what you can do is click on share and you can see that the required password is here, so you can add the password if you buy the essentials. So you can go ahead and buy the essentials for this. So if you don't want to do that, there is another option as well. So you can do this, connect with anyone or anyone with this link can view or edit. So you can change this on the settings option over here. So you can also require a option, but you need to upgrade to the Dropbox Essentials. So to ignore that, let's go ahead and copy the link over here. And what you need to do is go ahead and search for password link. Click on the first link and you can see that you have already copied the link. So just go ahead and paste it and click on create secure link. After that, a link has been created. So what you need to do is copy this link over here and send it to your team members to view your folder. So once your team member opens this link, you can see this type of page will load up. Now this link will be valid only once, so it is a one-time link. You can send it and go ahead, and once the person opens it, you can see that this is the interface. And once the person copies it and opens the link, then there you go. This is the link that the person will see. So once the link has been entered, you can no longer open it, so you can see that the link has been removed. And this way you can create a password link for your folder on Dropbox if you don't want to buy the Dropbox premium version. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.